It's one of my favorite things to bake and eat. Now, I'm a cookie girl, so I always have to figure out how to incorporate cookies in my tasty treats. And I did. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Coming up next. Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. I'm really excited to share with you my chocolate chip cookie pound cake recipe. Now, I'm going to mix together two of my favorite recipes, my chocolate chip cookie recipe and my pound cake recipe. Now, in order to make this yummy, yummy, yummy pound cake, you're going to need the following ingredients: butter, eggs, sugar, baking powder, kosher salt, vanilla extract, instant vanilla pudding, all-purpose flour or plain flour, and chocolate chip cookie dough. Now, I'm using my chocolate chip cookie recipe. If you would like to use my chocolate chip cookie recipe, then click here. It'll take you to a video where I'll show you step by step how to make this chocolate chip cookie dough. To mix my ingredients up, I'll be using my KitchenAid stand mixer fixed with my paddle attachment, a large bowl, a whisk, and my spatula. My oven, well, that's preset to 325 degrees. Now for this chocolate chip cookie pound cake, your cookie dough needs to be very, very cold. So I actually made my cookie dough yesterday and let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So while I'm making my pound cake portion of this recipe, I'm actually going to go ahead and take my cookie dough and place it back in the refrigerator. I don't want it to melt. I'm ready to get started with making the pound cake portion of this recipe. Now, I absolutely love pound cake, and I try my very best to stick to the original recipe, which calls for a pound of butter, a pound of sugar, a pound of eggs, and a pound of flour. And I mixed it up a little bit to add some extra flavor. So I'm going to start with a pound of butter. And let's mix it up. Now for my sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add that now. Mix it up. Now for a little bit of flavor, I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla extract in now. And let's mix it up. Now taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl. I want to make sure that all of my ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. And I'm not going to forget the bottom. Now it's time to add the eggs. I'll be adding my eggs into my cake batter one at a time. And I want to mix it up in between each time that I add an egg. Now, I always crack my eggs into a separate bowl. I do not want an eggshell or a bad egg to mess up my batter. Mix it up. Taking my spatula again, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides. Now for my instant vanilla pudding. I'm going to go ahead and add that in now. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula again, I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up together. Now for the dry ingredients. I'm going to add my baking powder and my salt to my flour now. Taking my whisk, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up by hand. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients in a little at a time. I do not want a cloud of flour. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of the bowl one final time. And let's mix it up. Now using my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cake batter off of my paddle. Now it's time to put my pound cake batter and my chocolate chip cookie dough into my pan. But before I do, I'm going to take some butter and butter up my pan. Now taking a little bit of flour, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle it all into my pan as well. Now it's time for me to fill my pan up with cake batter and cookie dough. Now that my pound cake batter and my chocolate chip cookie dough is all into my cake pan, I'm going to place it in the oven to bake for 1.5 hours. Now that 90 minutes have passed, I'm going to take my cake and place it on my cooling rack, and I'm going to let it cool down for 30 minutes before I remove it from my cake pan. Now that my cake has completely cooled, it's now time to unpan it. Using a spatula, I'm going to go ahead and run it along my cake pan to loosen it up so it'll be ready for me to flip it out. Now I'm ready to flip it out. Now using my cake stand, I'm going to go ahead and place it on the bottom, and I'm going to flip it again. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. And Jim is going to cut us a slice of cake. Yummy. Pound cake and cookies. Cookies and pound cake. Chocolate chip cookies and pound cake. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Jill's ready before me. Wait. Okay. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Very good.
It is so yummy. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.